First of all, warm drinks, fluids, tea, very helpful for symptoms. Gargling, which is certainly something that's been around for a long time, which is warm water, a little bit of salt, rinsed in the back of the throat, can also be helpful. There's lots of lozenges you can get over the counter at the pharmacy that can help you as well to relieve symptoms. But here's the thing. You want to know what the cause of the throat is. Most throat infections are viral. In this era, we also want to consider COVID as a common cause of viral throat infection. And of course, with COVID, we want to not expose other people, and there are some specific medications for certain patients that might be suitable. Also, if you have a strep throat, a severe throat that hurts a lot with swallowing, you want to get that checked out by a physician or urgent care center, have a strep test done. But in general, in terms of reviewing and relieving symptoms, it would be the mentioned elements at the beginning of my presentation.